Good morning, children. Saira. How are you, children? I hope you all are fine, safe, healthy at your home. Children, welcome back to your computer class. Children, in my previous video, we have completed chapter number 4, editing a worksheet. I hope you all have understood about the worksheet in MS Excel. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Formulas and Functions, part 1. Children, in this chapter we will cover the following topics. Children, number 1 is using basic formulas. Next is using compound formulas. And lastly, we will discuss about using text formulas. Children, okay? Okay, children? Clear? Now, children, formulas are used to perform calculations involving addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. It establishes a relationship between two or more cells. Children, a formula is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operators, and parentheses. Okay, children? Clear? Now, children, you can perform simple as well as complex calculations using functions. Children, formula must begin with is equal to symbol followed by cell references and operators. Children, always remember the formula will always begin with is equal to sign. Is equal to sign. This. Okay? Children, now come to the basic formulas. Children, basic formulas involve only one operator in a formula. Click on a cell where you want to display the total. Type is equal to symbol or sign and select the range. Okay. Now, children, look at the screen. This is the screen of basic formula. Here we have given a format, month and sales. Month are January, February, March, April, May, June, and we have to type the total here. Okay, children, these are columns. Column A, B, C, D, E, and these are rows. Columns are indicated by A, B, C, D, and rows are indicated by numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. These are rows, and these are columns. Okay. Now, children, here we can see the sales of months. We have to type the total in B11 cell. This is the cell. So, if we want to take the total of these sales, the formula will begin with is equal to sign. Is equal to sign. Okay. Now, children, either you select the range from B4 to B9 and put the cursor in this cell total, and select the range from B4 to B9, and after that press enter. After that press enter. The total will come in this cell. or you can type through the keyboard. Keep your cursor in this cell total. First of all, enter this equal to sign, then B4 plus B5, then B6, then B4 plus B8, then plus B9. After that, press enter button, enter key. Okay, the result will come here. Children, result will appear also in this formula bar. As soon as you are doing the formula, it will come to the formula bar also. This is the formula bar. Okay, clear children? Now children, using compound formula. Children, in compound formulas are used when you need more than one operator. Example, suppose we want to calculate the simple interest using the formula this, P into R into T upon 100. Children, as I told you, the result appear in the cell, but the actual formula appear on the formula bar. Okay. Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen of compound formula. We have given, as I told you, this is the columns indicated by alphabets. These are the rows indicated by numbers. So B5, the principal is 4500. B6, the rate is 5. B7, time is 3 years, and we want to enter the formula, the result of this formula in the B8. So select this cell, press the equal to sign, and then type the formula. P means this, select this, B5 into B6, then B7, and then upon 100. Press enter. The result will come. Okay children, in front of this SI you have to write B5 into B6. This is B6, then B7 upon 100. Okay, so you press enter, the result will come. Okay, understood children? Now the next is using text formulas. Children, you can perform addition on character and string data type. Except for addition, other operators like subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. are not allowed. You can use the symbol this and symbol you can use for addition. Okay, clear children? Now children, enter two string type value in cell A1 and B1. Okay, write down KIPS in A1 and India in B1. Enter the formula A1 and B1 is equal to A1 and B1. Okay, in cell C1. and press then enter. Okay, it will display the KIPS India in the cell C1. Children, addition on string type means string type data means placing one value after another. Okay children, you can see the screen children. This is the screen of using text formula. In A1, as I told you, this is the columns A, B, C, D indicated by alphabets. This is a rows indicated by number. So A1 is equal to A1. A1 means this, and B1, this one B1, and then press enter. The result will come A1 plus B1. A1 plus B1 is equal to C1, means this KIPS India will appear. This is the result. Okay children. Now children, I hope you all are understanding about MS Excel. Children, I hope you all are doing your homework properly and studying at your home. Children, we will meet soon in the next video. In the next video, we will discuss about cell reference and functions in MS Excel. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.